little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Try molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and try molasses candy. I have a bird feeder in my front yard, and I have been noticing lots of birds. Cardinal, cardinal, fly through my window. Cardinal, cardinal, fly through my window. Cardinal, cardinal, fly through my window. Try molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and try molasses candy. I've also noticed chickadee, chickadee, fly through my window. Chickadee, chickadee, fly through my window. Chickadee, chickadee, fly through my window. Try molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and try molasses candy. There's a bird called a purple finch that Leo and I call the red-headed chicken. I'm gonna send you a picture. Should we call it a finch or a red-headed chicken? Chicken, chicken, fly through my window. Chicken, chicken, fly through my window. Chicken, chicken, fly through my window. Try molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and try molasses candy. Also, bluebird, bluebird, fly through my window. Bluebird, bluebird, fly through my window. Bluebird, bluebird, fly through my window. Try molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and try molasses candy. What birds have you been noticing? If you tell Miss Trish what birds you've been noticing, maybe we can record another version of the song with your bird suggestions. Now, yesterday I asked, did anyone know who painted these beautiful paintings? And you were right. Miss Trish painted those. Beautiful. Mwah! Sending you lots of love. Cardinal, chickadee, bluebird, red-headed chicken.